Hello, today we will explore gganimate library in R. To do animation, we only need one function and that is called transition. And other function available it is optional. Okay, you don't need these things. These things you only need if you want to enhance your animation. If you want to create a shadow looking like object, you can use shadow function. And if you want to change the viewport like x axis and y axis, then we you need view function. And if you want to change overall look of animation, you can use in that scenario as underscore aesthetic function. And that is the things you only need to create a animation using gganimate library. To animate different kinds of object or data, we have a different transition method. Like suppose you want to create an animation based on categorical data, so we have transition states function for that. And if you want to create animation based on continuous data, then we have transition time. And to create animation based on date object, we have transition reveal function. So I wrongly write continuous date here. It means only date object. And there are lots of function available in the gganimate library. You can explore by your own. Let us suppose that I want to create this type of frames in in gganimate. So this is frame is a continuous data, so we can use this in this scenario transition time. And if you use this function, it will create a of animation. I will show you in RStudio. This is RStudio and I am activating this library here. And to animate the categorical data, we have a function transition states. So I am running it. So this is a animation he will create. Now I want to do linear move. This is the same example I ran in the previous video. So if you run this, so this is, so look that this is very smooth. So under the hood, gganimate library do lots of things on the behalf of programmer don't need to do anything. I can also create zigzag move. So this is a zigzag move. So this is also very smooth. Now I am creating a animation of gap minder data. So this type of animation you can create. I am removing here facet wrap. So this is a animation. You can also use different function here. Under you can use different function under this as underscore aesthetic function if you want. And now I am creating an animation based on date object, date data. So this is the pressure level of pneumatic machine, and this is the pressure level of hydraulic machine, uh, and this is the dates. Now I want to check the relationship between the pneumatic and hydraulic machine, and I am using here reveal function because I want to see the correlation between hydraulic and pneumatic based on the date. So this is the red line is a pneumatic machine pressure level, and this is the hydraulic, which is in blue color. So as based on this observation, we can say that hydraulic machines pressure level is uh, very steady than pneumatic. So this type of things you can show to the audience. I don't want to spend too much time on the animation because it I mean to say that static graph is understandable enough to convey your summarized data. Animation is only for fun. Okay, suppose you go in the conference, in the data science conference, and you the only one who present your information through animation, so it will look like it will look cool. Okay, that's the things you get from the animation. Thank you.